mereka diselamatkan dulu. Itu dulu. Jauh-jauh. Itu orang yang menunjuk di atas ya. Di depannya.
There's a hero if you look inside your heart. Don't have to be afraid of what you are. There's an answer if you reach into your soul, and the soul that you know will melt away, and then a hero comes along with the strength to carry on, and you cast the fear aside, and you know you can survive. So when you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you'll finally see the truth that a hero lies.
Keluarga lengkap.